In this video, we'll explain how to use Sellfy's shipping settings. Shipping settings are available for physical products only, so you need to make sure to add products that require shipping as a physical product. To add shipping prices, scroll down to Shipping in the product editor. You'll need to do this for each product individually. If you are charging the same price for shipping, no matter where your customer is located, select Worldwide and enter the price for shipping the item in the cost column. If you enter $15 in the cost column, for example, it means that your customers will be charged $15 to get the item shipped to their address anywhere in the world. To offer combined shipping, add the price for shipping the item when bought together with other items in the With Others column. We'll dive deeper into the combined shipping option later in this video. If you want to set shipping rates based on location, you'll want to add shipping prices for different countries and regions separately, rather than using the worldwide shipping settings. For shipping to the United States, it's possible to set up prices per state. For shipping to other locations, you'll set up shipping per country, such as Australia, or regions, such as Europe, for example. Let's set up shipping for European customers to see exactly how it works. Select European Union from the drop-down. You can enter the cost for shipping the product on its own and when shipped with other items. So the With Others column allows you to offer combined shipping. This means that if multiple items are bought together in one order, we'll take the most expensive cost as the base amount and add the price of the With Others column on top. Let's say the cost for shipping a pair of socks to anywhere in Europe is $5. And $2 if they are bought together with other items. Then let's say the cost of shipping a sweater is $10 and $5 if bought with other items. This means that at checkout, if these two items are bought together, we'll calculate the shipping cost by taking the $10 for shipping the sweater and add the $2 for shipping the socks on top. The cost of shipping will be $12 for both items together. To offer flat rate shipping, you'll want to enter the same price, for example $15 in the cost column for all products and $0 in the With Others column. That way, customers will pay the same amount for shipping on orders for single and multiple items. If someone is trying to purchase an item in your store from a location that is not included in your shipping settings, they won't be able to complete the checkout process and see a warning message at the bottom of the page. You can access the order and shipping information in your Sellfy account via the Orders section and mark the item shipped once you posted it. To get notifications for new orders, use the Sellfy mobile app and turn on notifications for new orders. For more information, visit our online help section at docs.sellfy.com. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.